Hey guys, it's Kelly from Sunny Tangerine Stock, and today I want to show you how to place your artwork on top of the mock-up. And then what we're going to do is brush the image off of this pen so that the pen looks like it's sitting right on top of that image and that it is a part of the scene. So I'm just going to move this quickly over. I'm going to rotate and place it. I'm going to use the command key and hold that down to make the corners fit onto this picture. It's a little bit narrow at the top and a little bit wider at the bottom. So that's good. I'm going to hit enter and that will place it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this layer to blending mode of multiply. And that basically makes it melt right into that background there. And it also brought this pen to a little bit more to the forefront. It makes it just a little bit transparent. So it'll be easy for us to go through and brush this off. What we need to do in order to get that done, sorry, is add a layer mask to this layer. So come down to the rectangle with the circle in it, and you want to click on that, and that's going to add a layer mask to this layer. We're going to use our brush tool, set to black, and we're going to gently brush off of this pen. We're going to brush off the picture that is overlaying that pen. I'm using the bracket key on my keyboard. The left bracket makes it smaller and the right bracket makes it bigger. And I'm just going to gently brush down across this pen, and that's going to remove that image. I'm pressing the Z on my keyboard and so that I can zoom in and get a little bit closer. I'll use my left bracket to make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to just brush over the pen. So the old adage in Photoshop when you're using a layer mask is that black reveals and white conceals. And so I want to reveal the pen that is underneath of the picture. So basically, I am just gently brushing away. And if you zoom in really closely and then make your brush just a little bit smaller, you can see where you need to just erase off of this pen so that it looks like it is sitting right on top of that. Now another trick that you can do is to use the right next to the brackets is the backslash key, and if you tap on that it will show you exactly where you brushed. And if you make a mistake and you like brushed way out to the side, just use the X key and turn your brush to white, or use this little arrow back and forth, and when you do the white, you're going to reveal again. So I can see exactly what I need to bring back right there. And if you really, want to get just super technical about it and make sure that it's perfect, you'll want to use the white and the black and make sure that it's all good. But I think that looks really good, and I think that will do it to make it just like that. Then what I would do is you make sure that you save your work and rename it so that the original file is untouched and you can use it over and over again. And you can go check out my YouTube channel for a tutorial on resizing and renaming your work. And then I also have, with this exact mock-up image, another tutorial on changing the color of these clips up here. So if I wanted to change them to this pink color or even a gray color or something else altogether, you can go find that tutorial on my channel and use this same image. If you are on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram at Sunny Tangerine, I gave away this image as a Monday freebie this week, so you can go grab it over there. All right, have a great day.